Hello there. If you are watching this video, it means that you already have learnt few initial things about Gyanstairs. If not, please do see our other introduction videos before you continue with this one. Having said that, let's see how does Gyanstairs make sure that videos provided by the individuals from community are not random videos, but are part of the correct learning context and one piece of the whole picture. Let us start from where we left in the introduction video of the learning streams. When user is on the subtopic section for a particular topic, all the subtopics are clickable buttons. When user clicks on any of the subtopics, then the system brings the user to this page, where everything starts to make sense for the topic. This is where user is able to go through various videos for different sections of the topic. The left-hand panel on the page is the different sections or subtopics of the selected topic. Like in this case, user is looking at the different learning sections of JavaScript, starting with the most basic sections on top with increasing complexities and details down the line. You see that one section is already selected because this one was the subtopic clicked by the user on the learning streams page. For the system, that click meant, show me all the available videos in the system for the subtopic objects in JS, for the topic, JavaScript. As this is just example screen, so you see that there is only one video available for that subtopic. If there would be multiple videos available, then those all would be shown and the user would have choice to check any, or all of those videos. User can click on different sections on the left-hand panel, to learn about the topic starting from the basic to advanced features. Please note that different videos for all the sections of the topic, would be coming from various creators. Each video is embedded with the creator's profile and there is link for the user to navigate to the creator's profile. Now, let us talk about how you can contribute to the community for any particular topic. Good thing with Gyanstairs is that you do not need to worry about preparing or even knowing the whole topic. You can share your knowledge down up to just a small section of the whole topic. So, when you are ready to share your knowledge for a particular section, just click on that section on the left-hand side panel, and then on the right-hand side panel, where you see all the videos for that section, you see the button to add video for this section. The click will result in showing a text box for user to enter the video title. It is very important to provide logical title for the video because this title is shown with video as well as it becomes part of the video URL later. Here, you see the video title for the video you are watching currently, being entered. After user has entered title and clicked on the Add Video button, system creates a new page for your video and brings you on that page. There is a different Gyanstairs tutorial for you to understand how to create video on this page. Please see that to learn about it. You can see that the title you provided in previous page and the scope of the video is shown on this page, so that whenever you are back on this page, you know what content you are working on and what scope. For the scope of discussion of this tutorial, this is what matters. As this page was started from the existing context of mainstream, substream, topic and subtopic, so those fields are pre-populated on this page. When you complete working on the content of this video and submission process is complete, then you can see that this video appears as part of the available videos for this hierarchy. There would be different contributors around the world who would be interested to share their knowledge about any section of a topic, and all those videos become part of the correct context. So looking at the overall picture, learners for a topic will be able to start learning from most basic concepts till most advanced features when they scroll from top to bottom on left-hand panel. And there would be multiple choices for them to learn from for each section. And those options for the learners would be coming from individuals around the world, who are expert in that particular section and sharing their valuable insights for the community. There is another way you can start the video creation process, and that is from the My Dashboard page. You give the title for your video and the scope for which you want to start creating video, for publicly available streams, or for your personal referenced hierarchy. Once you click on the Create New Video page, system takes you to the same video creation page, with one difference though. Now, as there was no initial context available, so system gives you option to select the hierarchy. These hierarchy options are dependent upon the scope you had selected on My Dashboard page. On hovering over the Save button, it shows the tooltip informing the creator that they can select hierarchy only once for the video, and the Save button will not be shown once it is clicked. Before the video is created, the system forces the creator to save the hierarchy. Another important thing about this page, on the top section of the page, you see a breadcrumb menu for the complete context of the page, starting from scope till the topic and the currently selected subtopic. Once user clicks a different subtopic on the left-hand panel, the breadcrumb menu's subtopic section changes as well. The different sections of breadcrumb menu are clickable URL links, and based on which level the user clicks on, the system takes user back to the learning streams and opens all the levels to give a perspective to the user about where in the hierarchy that video page belongs to. We hope you have better understanding of the Gyanstairs platform now. We have ambitious plans about it, like providing options to the learners for complete course of a topic by automatically selecting videos from all the sections based on most viewed, most relevant, etc., and many more. So join us today to be part of the next social networking and knowledge sharing platform, Gyanstairs, the Knowledge Network. See you again soon. Bye for now.